Good morning, Savannah Oaks. Today is Thursday, April 30th. It's a B-Day. Congratulations to our Achieve 3000 winners. Today's winners are Connor S., Caroline D., and Ryan H. Think about it Thursday. Which 7-letter word contains dozens of letters? Hint, hint, it's a compound word. It's a mailbox. Reminder about your weekly challenge. So watch the video from author Jason Reynolds. It's in the daily lesson plan that Ms. Sims sends out every day at 8:30. Create an award for yourself and then share that award. So Ms. Sims made an example here of an award she made for herself, and she said that she is the best to-do list maker. So what are you really good at that you want to make an award for yourself? Attention 8th graders, click on the link at the top of the daily lesson plan to sign up for fall sports. You have to do this by May 15th. Now it's time for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Have a great Thursday, everyone.